whakarongo ake au ki te tangi a te manu, tēnei te tangi a te ngāhere, ka puta ki te whaiao, ki te ao marama, ki te ao nui, ki te ao katoa, a tihei Māori ora. Kia ora no tātou. Welcome to the second edition of Te Hāpai o. Hopefully you received a lot of value from the first release of Te Hāpai o in our continual pursuit to improve the way that we communicate and engage with our Ngāti Awa Uri. This edition, we're going to be resharing the video series as we lead into the commemoration of the signing of the Tiriti o Waitangi. And so hopefully you can get the time to gather those insights and mātauranga that we have also gathered as well. We're also going to be introducing one of the many jauharaweras within Ngāti Awa. This is the co-founder of Waimanuka, which is the non-alcoholic beverage that is being shared not only across the motu here in Aotearoa but across the world. And it's exciting just to track Joe in his journey as an entrepreneur, the challenges and the achievements that he has experienced. And for those of you who aspire to be an entrepreneur in the future, I think you'll get a lot from Joe's feedback. Thirdly, we're going to be introducing more people from across the group, and in this edition you'll be meeting more people from Ngāti Awa Group Holdings Limited. That relationship is going great. We're coming together, we're starting to align, and part of that is just to get to know the people better and for the people to know who we are in the wider context of Ngāti Awa. So I look forward to those people introducing themselves to you all. I'd like to take the opportunity now to turn the focus back to the rurunga. At the moment, we are going through the end of year wrap-up, or the end of year result, understanding what we delivered over the last 12 months, what was the financial position, and more importantly, what lessons did we learn and how do we take that forward into the next financial year, which starts 1st of July through to June 30, 2025. Also, you'll see in this edition of Te Hāpai o, we are communicating that the 5-year charter review is now underway. So the charter, in basic terms, informs how the rurunga will operate. And so we need as many Ngāti Awa Uri as possible to interact with the review through submissions and also through hui. So the charter review subcommittee will be travelling to Pōneke, Tamaki Makaurau, and also to marae across the rohe here at home to talk with our Uri about what the charter is, what does it mean, and how can you interact with the review. So we really do look forward to seeing you there. As a last point, I'd like to congratulate the leadership of Mata Riki Whakapiri. The leadership that brought a collaboration together between Te Whare Wānana o Awanuiarangi and also Te Ruranga o Ngāti Awa. And those leaders are Whaia Waitangi Black, Kataraina Monica, and also Tāwera Simpson-rangi. Tēnei te mihi ake kia koutou. Yeah, it was a wonderful event again. The weather turned it on, 3rd time in a row. And not only did it make the Ngāti Awa Uri proud, but also the feedback I got from the wider community has been excellent. Thank you to all the affiliates who also participated. Your support and your presence and the mana that you bring is always appreciated at the event. To all the Pākihi who decided to come and support the event, we would like to mihi you as well, and we look forward to next year being a bit of a change-up, I'm told, from what happened this year, so I'm excited to see what the team can bring together in 2025. Until then, tū kotahi ai tātou, hei oranga, mo te ao, a tihei Māori ora.